Greetings and welcome to Productive DeFi, and in this lesson I wanted to talk about how you can learn more about a particular blockchain network. And the reason I wanted to talk about this is because it's going to allow you to become more self-sufficient. And as we get into the next section, which is about how to research opportunities in blockchain and DeFi, understanding how to research blockchains is very important, and that's exactly what this lesson is going to start dipping our toes into. So say, for example, we wanted to understand how Ethereum worked better. Well, one of the best ways that you can learn more about a particular blockchain network is to go onto coinmarketcap.net and locate the blockchain that you're interested in learning about. And so if we wanted to learn more about Ethereum, we could just go ahead and click into it, locate their official website, and then head right over to their official website. So when you want to learn about a blockchain, the best way is really to just kind of jump into their official resources. Oftentimes, I think that you'll be surprised at how friendly and approachable the official resources on the official blockchain websites can be. For example, on Ethereum, they make it really easy and they provide an entire Learn section. You can start in their Learn Hub, or you can go check out their roadmap, figure out what the future of Ethereum holds. For example, they are targeting cheaper transactions, extra security, better user experience, and future-proof in the network. And you can read more about each one of these topics here on the official website for Ethereum. You can also learn more about their community, and they even have an entire section on decentralized finance. And then say, for example, we wanted to learn more about what are some of the popular dApps that are used on Ethereum. Well, what we could do is we could look through their resources on their site and try to locate the dApps that are popular. A lot of times blockchains will post their ecosystem here on their site. And so here with Ethereum, we can find that they have an entire section where we can explore dApps. And you can see that they are suggesting some beginner-friendly dApps to use, such as Uniswap, OpenSea, which is used for NFT buying, selling, and trading, Gods Unchained, and the Ethereum name service. And you can explore more dApps and in different categories. And as you might be interested in decentralized finance, they also start introducing us to the decentralized finance here listed on their site. So just like we discovered Aave before, this could be a way that you could have came across some of these sites and protocols that I discussed previously, such as Aave, Compound, Uniswap, Curve, and more. And also, if I didn't mention it before, Yearn Finance is a really good site to check out as well for trying to find the best yield protocols. So as you can see, quite a bit of freedom and power can come out of learning how to just navigate these sites. And again, most of the time, all of these networks will try to promote their ecosystem on their site somewhere. So for example, if we were to come down to another blockchain, for example, Solana, and we were to head over to their official website. So same thing, you can see their site is very similar. And so here we can see under the solutions network, that it looks like they have ecosystem. So I typically look for the words ecosystem or dApps. And then we can see here that they list the hottest projects on the Solana blockchain. And we can discover all sorts of interesting DeFi protocols and more on blockchain. All right, so that's it for this lesson. I'll see you in the next one.